A lot of my clients tell me that they only use Signal to communicate so the feds can't see them, or we only communicate on WhatsApp, so I'm good. Here's the truth. If federal agents are showing up at your door, they already know what's on your phone. They've seen your texts, your encrypted messages, your social media messages, your bank records, and your emails. They don't let you know that you're under investigation until they have almost everything they need to charge you. Encrypted doesn't mean impossible to access. And once the feds are involved, it's probably too late to start worrying about privacy. I'm Diane. I'm a federal criminal defense attorney, and today I wanted to give you a reality check on encrypted messages, like Signal, Telegram, WhatsApp, even WeChat. This video is not about helping you commit crimes. This is about helping everyday people understand how federal investigations work. And if this is news to you, please share it. People deserve to know the truth before the feds come knocking on the door and they start answering questions. Apps like WhatsApp and Signal use end-to-end encryption. That means the message is scrambled as it leaves your phone and it is only unscrambled on the other end. Sounds secure, right? So if you're under investigation, the feds can issue a subpoena to any of these companies and they can get your messages. And even if they can't see the actual messages, they can find out who you were talking to, when you were talking to them, and sometimes where you were talking to them. They can see who you were talking to, when you spoke with them, where you were located, the type of device you used, and the IP address that you were using. Once the feds have your phone, even if you don't give them your password, which of course you shouldn't, they can still access the content on your phone, even if it's an iPhone. And if they get physical access to your device, that's a whole different game. Some tools can break into phones, even iPhones, and extract information even from encrypted apps. So yes, even if you think it's protected, if they have access to your phone, they can most likely get all your messages. So let's clear up some of the biggest myths that I hear from people who think these encrypted apps protect them. Lie number one, if I delete it, it's gone. Not true. Deleted does not mean destroyed. Messages can often be recovered from the device itself or your cloud backups. Law enforcement has access to forensic tools that can recover data that you think is completely gone. Lie number two, if it's encrypted, no one can see it. That's only partially true. The message content might be scrambled, but that's a minor issue. The metadata, such as who you were talking to, when and from where, remains accessible. And in many investigations, that's what they're building their case on. Lie number three, they need to break the law to get into my phone. Actually, no. The government has the legal right to access your data through subpoenas, search warrants, and court orders. They do this all the time, and they're good at it. So are the feds asking you a question? It's not because they need the answer, it's because they already know the answer. They want to see if you're being truthful. And lying to a federal agent is a crime. Here's the bottom line. If you're under investigation by the feds, your phone is already part of the investigation. No app is going to protect you once they've built their case. So don't rely on tech. Don't talk. Call a lawyer. If you or someone you know is under investigation, reach out. I'm here to help.